In this video, we are going to build a simple web application using PostgreSQL, Python, and Streamlit. We'll go step by step together, so let's get started. First, we need to create a table in PostgreSQL. You can use the SQL code to create this table, and once it's done, click the refresh button in the table section to see the new table. Next, let's see how we can connect to this database from our Python Streamlit application. It's very simple. In PostgreSQL, click on the Properties button and go to the Connection section. All the information you need to connect is right there. Now, let's go to VS Code and start building our Python Streamlit application. First, make sure to install the required modules using the command. I already installed them before, so I'm skipping it. Now in our Streamlit application, we add the app title. Here we'll show Contacts app. Then we create a form to get input from the user. The form has 3 input fields: first name, last name, and email. Let's run this and see what it looks like. You can run it with the Streamlit command and open the specified address in your browser. Right now, the form only has the 3 input fields, and we haven't added the button yet, but we'll do that in a moment. First, we define a function to connect to PostgreSQL. This function uses the host, database, user, and password to establish a connection to the database. Next, we add the submit button for the form. When we click this button, we first connect to the database, create a cursor, and insert the values that the user entered, first name, last name, and email, into the contacts table. Then we commit the changes and close the connection. We also show a success message to the user confirming that the entry was added. Finally, we want to display all existing records, so we fetch the data from the database and show it in a table on the Streamlit app. Now we can run the application and see the output. Let's test it together. I enter a first name and last name, type an email, and click the Add Contact button. And there it is. The new record is added to the table and displayed immediately. It's really simple. If you haven't created Streamlit apps before, check out the courses section on our channel. We have a full course for Streamlit that is very helpful. To support the channel and continue learning with us, you can join and subscribe. Keep learning, and let's keep building amazing projects together.